So you want to open a bank account up at BDO, guys. Very simple indeed. I've been with BDO since I came into the Philippines. I checked out 4 banks. It was a toss-up between BPI and BDO. Now the only reason I picked BDO is it for the convenience. There's BDO in every SM. There's like 4 BDOs in Naga, as I'm aware of, branches. BDOs everywhere, right? Now if you want to open a bank account with BDO, it's very simple. You have to supply your passport, you have to supply your ACIR card, your alien registration card. You have to go to get a barangay certificate of residency, right? Very important, because it's pretty obvious when they ask for proof of address. You can't take the proof of address because the house you're renting isn't in your name, the utility bills are not in your name, so you need the barangay certificate of residency. The only other thing you need, and it's only if you are American, is you need your social security number. If you're not American, you don't need it. And that's how simple it is to open an account up in the Philippines with the beautiful BDO and the wonderful staff there, and same with BPI, Bank of the Philippine Islands. It's really easy, but I'm going there now just to make sure that I've got everything right. I'm sure I have. The other banks, from my recollection, I think there's other criteria, but it's no big deal. Me personally, if I had to choose still, BDO, been with BDO for 7.5 years, never had a problem with BDO. You need, and this is just for BDO, I don't know about the Bank of the Philippine Islands, but when you open an account, all you have to do is leave 2,000 pesos in your account to keep it open, and that's it. You close your account, you get your money back. So let's get off to BPI. Right, forgive me if I repeat myself, because I've just obviously been to BDO and I'm trying to make it as clear as I can what you need to open a bank account here. So I've just been in BPI, right? That's Bank of the Philippine Islands, for anybody that's wondering what BPI stands for. Now this is my favorite bank after BDO, and this is the bank I was going to bank at if I hadn't gone to BDO, because I went to 4 banks in Naga and the criteria with the other banks was more than what these 2 are. So it's similar to BDO, guys, apart from the last bit of information I'm going to give you. Right, so to open a bank account here at BPI, lovely bank, lovely staff, very professional and courteous. You'd love it banking here. So you need your passport, right? That goes without saying. You need your ACR card, your alien registration card, and you need proof of address. Now you're asking yourself, well, hold on a minute, I'm renting, it's in the landlord's name, how do I give them proof of address? Even the utility bills are not in your name, right? So what you do is you go to the local barangay and you ask them for a certificate of residency, right? So it's basically confirming where you live, that you live in that barangay and you live in that house. Okay, now the last thing you need, but only if you're from the United States, is your social security number. But it's only for people from the United States. If you're from the UK or anywhere else, you don't need it. Okay, so I said it was going to be a short video, and it's a short video. So I hope you like that information. It's pretty much the same at the other banks, although you might get asked a little bit of something else depending on what bank you go to. The other reason I chose BDO is basically you'll find a BDO in every SM that you go in, right? There's lots of BDO banks, not so much the other banks. So convenience more than anything else, guys, right? So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope it's been informative. If it has, hit that like button, please subscribe, share our videos, and if you'd like to support the channel, links in the description below, or super thanks at the bottom of this video for as little as $1. See you on the next video, guys. Bye.
Hi, Chris.
I've got to talk to this other blogger. Look.
Please subscribe. I'm Brit in the Philippines with Chris Ren. Yeah.
Please subscribe. Brit in the Philippines.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire